Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, April 18th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Bob is waiting for us at the... Correct. And number 2, to drop something like this. I dropped the pen. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The corner of the room is dirty. The corner of the room is dirty. Corner. The corner is where the walls and the floor meet. Now we can make a flashcard for corner. When we are inside, we say the cat is in the corner. But if we are outside on the street, we say Bob is standing on the corner, correct? At the corner, also correct. Please make a card like this. Write corner up here in the top left corner. C-O-R-N-E-R. Down here, N1, V4. N1 means noun, level 1. And over here, the number 45 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Core. NER. Corner. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Oh no, I dropped the strawberry. Oh no, I dropped the strawberry. Dropped. You were holding it in your hand and then it fell from your hand. Now we can make a flashcard for drop. Please remember dropped and dropping are both double P. And the basic form is to drop something somewhere. For example, to drop the pen on the book. Please make a card like this. To drop something somewhere. PP for dropped and dropping. Down here, V1 and 2. V1 we're doing now. It means verb, level 1. And over here, the number 22 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Drop. Drop. Game over. You did really well today. Where is Bob? He is standing at the corner. Yes, where the 2 streets meet. And what will I do? You will drop the pen. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. When you watch TV, you want to change the channel. Correct. Bob has one son and two stepdaughters. Very good. And Bob broke my pen. He damaged it. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.